Welcome back, gardeners. Today we're focusing on one of the most important aspects of growing carrots, watering. Consistent moisture is key to successful carrot growth, especially during germination and root development. Let's dive into why proper watering is so crucial. Carrot seeds are small and delicate, making them sensitive to moisture levels. During germination, the soil needs to stay consistently moist to help the seeds sprout. Inconsistent watering can cause the seeds to dry out, leading to poor germination rates. As the plants grow, consistent moisture is just as important. Carrots have deep roots, and they need regular watering to develop properly. Too little water can cause the roots to become stunted, while too much water can lead to rot. Keep the soil evenly moist, but avoid waterlogging. To water your carrots effectively, use a gentle spray or drip irrigation system to avoid washing away the seeds or compacting the soil. Check moisture levels regularly, especially in hot weather, to ensure the soil doesn't dry out. Mulching around your carrot plants can also help retain moisture and regulate soil temperature. By keeping your carrot plants consistently watered, you'll help them develop strong, healthy roots and enjoy a bountiful harvest. Stay tuned for more tips on growing carrots, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening advice. Happy planting!